Hi, John.
Mild but very wet for some. Let me introduce you to a big blob of blue which just stays there across Cumbria for the next 36 hours or so, and the Western Fales easily seeing 50 to 80 millimetres, maybe even more than that, and that's going to cause some problems, I think, with time. Trouble is brewing out in the Atlantic. Huge great mass of cloud. It's heading in our direction. In advance of that, we've seen some very heavy showers earlier on this afternoon across some eastern parts of England. They're clearing away. It will be dry for a time. Then the breeze picks up, you can see the arrows getting bigger, and the rain arrives later on tonight, initially across Northern Ireland into much of Scotland, Wales and Western England, just the odd spot journeying further east. A mild night just about nationwide, bit of ice perhaps across the far northeast, but otherwise temperatures well up. But it will be a pretty wet and windy day for many northern and western parts of the UK. Very strong winds, gales in exposed places, but always the more southern and eastern parts seeing nothing bar the odd spot of drizzly rain. So quite a lot of contrast across the UK. Let's start in the northwest. We'll have these areas of persistent rain. Some places in between we'll see relatively little rain, but some parts, Cumbria, West Wales, will see quite a lot. Down across the southwest, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, well, yeah, there'll be a bit of patchy rain from time to time, but a good deal of dry, if rather cloudy weather. Strong old wind, but it will be mild again, 12, 13 degrees quite widely. Again, bar the odd spot of drizzle in the breeze across the southeast, it should stay essentially dry, if rather cloudy. And then we head our way northwards through the Midlands, where we'll get some shelter from the high ground, so mostly dry here. And then we run into that wet area across North Lancs and Cumbria in particular. And guess what? That rain is still there on Sunday morning. It's trying to stagger its way southeastwards by then, but East Anglia in the southeast should stay mostly dry, and it brightens up quite nicely across Scotland and Northern Ireland. But remember, very wet in Cumbria through this weekend.
John, thank you.